Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the reading comprehension syllabus for the test prep test of essential academic skills so you know exactly what to study and how much time to plan. This exam splits reading into 3 domains with clear weights and expectations. Key ideas and details carries 38% and focuses on identifying main ideas, supporting details, summarizing text, and following multi-step instructions. Integration of knowledge and ideas also carries 38% and focuses on evaluating arguments, synthesizing information across sources, and identifying primary versus secondary sources. Craft and structure is 24% and focuses on word meaning through context, author purpose and tone, and recognizing text structures. Key ideas and details is weighted at 38%, is rated medium difficulty, and has an estimated learning time of 12 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment items. You will learn to summarize multi-paragraph texts using key points and to identify the main idea versus the general topic, distinguishing supporting details that bolster the primary claim and separating relevant from irrelevant information. You will practice recognizing the summary that best represents an entire passage, making logical inferences from explicit and implicit evidence, following multi-step directions, interpreting information from printed communications and simple charts or maps, and identifying the correct sequence of events in a narrative or technical process. Integration of knowledge and ideas is weighted at 38%, is rated hard, and has an estimated learning time of 15 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment items. In this domain you will evaluate an author's argument and the supporting evidence, determine the credibility and reliability of sources, and distinguish facts from opinions while spotting logical fallacies. You will practice synthesizing information from multiple sources to reach a reasoned conclusion, identifying primary and secondary sources in varied contexts, comparing themes across genres and media, and judging how different text features and source types strengthen or weaken an overall argument. Craft and structure is weighted at 24%, is rated medium difficulty, and has an estimated learning time of 8 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment items. You will learn to determine the meaning of words and phrases using context clues, interpret figurative language and technical vocabulary, and recognize rhetorical devices and the difference between denotative and connotative meanings. You will also analyze the author's intent, whether to persuade, inform, or entertain, identify point of view and possible bias, assess tone and mood, and recognize text structures such as narrative, expository, or technical while using headings and other text features to guide comprehension. Plan for about 35 hours of focused study across the 3 domains, with most time spent on integration of knowledge and ideas and substantial practice on key ideas and details. Practice with conceptual questions and scenario-based passages, review source evaluation and summary strategies, and focus on the domain where you feel weakest to maximize your score on the reading comprehension section.